One of the key benefits is the A26 program that serves as a major de-risking for the Walrus Replacement Program. It's the only current new development in Europe taking place in the submarine field. So that is very important, and we have a very equal partnership with Saab.
I would say we complement each other in a fantastic good way, and with Damen's experience of as you heard Heinz said, been successful in winning a lot of contracts and delivering all this complex program.
Let me first say it's of strategic interest to our country. The current Walrus class has an operational niche that is unique within NATO and within Europe, therefore.
But I would say we are in a good position right now. We are in a finalizing the development phase of it, the construction and everything, and ramping up the production phase rapidly now.
Like the current Walrus class, this boat will have a life cycle of at least 30 years, during which it will be upgraded, it will have to be maintained, it will have to be modified, and we need that, that know-how and that capability in country.
It's so important that we form the big team together. I mean, we have Damen with us, together with you vendors. We need to work together, and if you form a strong team, that moves mountains.
We have a very equal partnership with Saab, and brands X, Y and Z could not offer that for many reasons. We feel comfortable with the technology, we feel comfortable with the technical approach that Saab is taking, the modularity of the boats, which is an easy word to say, not so easy to execute. That's all there. We have in front of us participants of what we call the Dutch Underwater Knowledge Center. A few years ago, we made an inventory of what is still there in terms of underwater know-how in the Netherlands. It's quite a lot.
We have the Dutch solution for the Dutch Navy in all perspective. The submarine in itself, but the long-term support, maintenance and everything. The Dutch solution for the Dutch Navy, I would say that's the key.
But what is missing is a winning team that brings it together, and we hope that we will be that winning team.